Hey everyone, and welcome to this tutorial of how to register for Asocopy's webinars. The first thing that you are going to do is that you are going to open up Google website in your browser, and you are going to write asocopy.org. You're going to click, and you're going to open Asocopy's website. In the menu, you're going to see that there are different options. You're going to click on webinars. As you can see, here are the coming webinars. You can register only for the coming one. So as you can see, it's gonna be Katie's. Next week is gonna be Juan Carlos's, and in 2 weeks it's gonna be Jair's, and finally it's gonna be Carlos. So the idea is that you are going to click here on register. You are going to write your full name. You're going to write your ID number, and you are going to type your email account. You are going to send, and that is how you register, because the system is going to receive your information and it's going to give you the link in which you are going to visit and be part of the webinar. Remember that you have also a ticket, and the ticket ID is gonna be in this part. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you there.